25 name of the prophets. Number 1, Adam alayhi salam. Number 2, Idris alayhi salam. Number 3, Nuh alayhi salam. Number 4, Hud alayhi salam. Number 5, Saleh alayhi salam. Number 6, Ibrahim alayhi salam. Number 7, Lut alayhi salam. Number 8, Ismail alayhi salam. Number 9, Isa alayhi salam. Number 10, Yaqub alayhi salam. Number 11, Yusuf alayhi salam. Number 12, Ayub alayhi salam. Number 13, Shuaib alayhi salam. Number 14, Musa alayhi salam. Number 15, Harun alayhi salam. Number 16, Dawood alayhi salam. Number 17, Sulaiman alayhi salam. Number 18, Ilyas alayhi salam. Number 19, Aliasar alayhi salam. Number 20, Zulkifli alayhi salam. Number 21, Yunus alayhi salam. Number 22, Zakaria alayhi salam. Number 23, Yahya alayhi salam. Number 24, Isa alayhi salam. Number 25, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam.